I know it seems impossible, but I want to make 2019 my year. There have been so many new relationships I've built up this year, and so many that I've just had to let go of. I feel like I need to make this video for myself and for others to thank the people that came into my life this year and made it great, and to also say goodbye to the other ones that aren't as big in my life as they used to be. So let's just get on into it. DL. I've spent so much time thinking, talking, writing, and singing even about you. Were you even worth it? Probably not. The reason why you broke my 2018 is your inability to feel, to respond in the way I wish you could. It's not your fault, it's mine, but it still doesn't change the fact that it hurts so much. I cared about you so much. I had a crush on you during 4th and 5th grade, and I was glad the hopeless wishing was over. I guess it wasn't. Have a good life, Annie. P.S. In 10 years, I'm publishing that song about you. Thank you, next. Dear Billy, you have always been my yellow paint. Vincent van Gogh used to eat yellow paint because he thought it would get the happiness inside him. Many people thought he was mad and stupid for doing so because the paint was toxic, but people still do it every day because there was always that chance that it would make things better. Everyone has their yellow paint. When I'm around you, my great friend, I feel great, appreciated. We have never been in the same group of friends, but I really wish that we were closer. You bring the sunflower in me out, and I'm forever grateful for that. Happy to have you in my 2019, Annie. Dear Apple Boy, oh how I wish you knew how happy you make me. I swear your smile is contagious. Meeting you felt like opening a book that doesn't have the best cover, sorry, but has the best story. I know that I probably annoy you all the time, but you don't annoy me as much as I make it seem. Not even a bit. Hopeful for the future, Annie. Hey, I've been so scared to lose you, my best friend. There's no simple explanation for why we aren't as close as we used to be. I guess people go in different directions. Flowers bloom in different directions. I guess people can. I've been so scared to lose you, but I'm looking back at it now. It wasn't me being scared to lose you. It was me being scared to lose our friendship and just the idea of us being best friends. I guess you don't have the time for me anymore, but I can use that time to kick butt in 2019.